go ahead and use a jack just to support the axle. Go ahead and remove this upper bolt. Go ahead and remove the lower mounted bolt. Go ahead and pull the bolt out and remove the shock. Go ahead and place the upper portion of the shock up in a position and get the bolt started. Now we're going to go ahead and pull this band off the bottom of the shock, and the shock will start to expand down in a position. What we can now do is adjust the axle jack that you have, lower it or raise it so that you can get that bolt lined up and slip that right into place and get that bolt started. Well, now we're going to snug up both bottom bolt and the upper bolt. I'm going to go ahead and torque the upper bolt to 70 foot-pounds. We're going to torque the bottom bolt to 85 foot-pounds. Now we're going to cut the band and repeat for the other side.